Alright, well, I got a guy that sights in my rifles, my mama's new boyfriend, rebinds Bibles. Ricky down the road, he resold Red Wings. Hell, I got a guy for every damn thing. I put this Marine PL on there, strongest stuff I had at the moment. And I'm gonna do like Traeger. I'm going to set it and forget it for a couple days. And then I'm going to see if it works. So yeah, it was just the little area in here was popped out, busted, because I tightened it too much. So, not a big deal. This stuff cures in a couple days, and it might be better, I don't know. We do not know yet. Anyways, wish me luck. Till then, keep it gangster, my friend. And clean up your mess. Golly, come on, man. Come on, man. Jeez. Those need to be reorganized. This is trash. I like to save these because I made a cannon a while back. I don't think it's this one. No, it's not this one, but the one up above this. And dude, you wrap a little bit of tape around it. I use some vinyl. We put some oil on it, and just doing this had that thing going at least 50 miles an hour that way. So I'm on to something there. But you know, everyday carry for felons or something like that. How would you like to get hit with one of these with a dang spike on the end or something with silver tips maybe just for vampires then? All right, I digress. Ain't nobody gonna argue about vampires. I'm not talking about road pirates or something either. Everybody gets it misconstrued. It won't get me in trouble.